Here is an article from GM Authority. Link will be in the description. Tremec has confirmed it has installed a manual transmission into a C8 Corvette. And this is also being reported in Road and Track. They have successfully developed and installed a 6-speed manual transaxle into a mid-engine C8 Corvette. They have confirmed that it fits and functions physically on the platform. Now, the senior sales engineer stated that the company mounted transmission they mounted the transmission in their own C8 to make sure everything fits and clears. Now, the gearbox bolts in properly, but Chevrolet has no factory plans to offer a manual C8. The hard part is going to, if they make this into an aftermarket thing, is the software integration. That's going to be the biggest challenge before this thing could actually exist in real life. But it does fit. Dane, are you excited about this?
Oh yeah, I wish that there was a manual version of this car.
All right, so let's finish the summary here. The project obviously is aimed at the aftermarket, and it'll allow enthusiasts and builders to install a manual conversion into their Corvettes. This is a 6-speed transmission, and it's going to have shift position sensors, which will enable modern driving aids like auto rev matching, which will help for smoother downshifts. The Tremec C8 manual could also potentially fit into the Ford Mustang GTD, which is our rivals. They're our rivals. And because the Mustang GTD actually shares the same dual clutch transmission with the C8 Corvette. That's a TR 9080. So Tremec expects to begin tooling and durability testing next year with a potential aftermarket release around 2027. So a couple years out. Would you buy this? What do you think about this?
If I had a C8 Corvette, I would definitely buy the transmission to put
Yeah.
in it. Oh heck yeah! I feel like two-door sports cars have to have a manual. It's just not the same.
All
Is
right.
I've driven dual clutch with the paddle shift that's instant in a Ferrari. It's amazing, but it's not the
Yeah.
same as like rowing your own gears, man.
It seemed like 6 speeds is not enough. Like, shouldn't it be a 8-speed transmission? I feel like these Corvettes are so powerful. You're going to be in first gear for like till you're 60 miles per hour.
Nah, they'll be spread out enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, because I got a 6-speed in that C10 that I did the twin turbo engine on,
Yeah.
and 6 speeds is plenty. I almost never use 6 gear ever. Yeah, one of the complaints of the C7, which was the last manual Corvette, was it had a 7-speed manual and that it was too many.
Oh, 7 was too much.
Yeah,
Okay. I
I think
guess I'm wrong.
6 is a good number. No more than that. No less than 5.
Hmm.
That's a really good spot to be in for a manual transmission.
All right. So I guess it just depends on how you spread out the gearing.
Yeah,
Let's
you know
see
what
what people go ahead.
Oh, yeah. I was gonna say, you know what I find interesting though is this is the first I've heard about this, and
Yeah.
I'm just getting back from SEMA where they usually unveil a lot of this brand new stuff that they've been working on for the public to see for the first time. And there wasn't a word of that anywhere. I was at
No,
the Tremec booth, and they had a really
they
cool
didn't say
truck in
anything.
it, and they had some different transmissions on display, but there wasn't a single mention of a uh, a C8 Corvette transmission being available. So very
Oh,
surprised.
well, now you know, Dane. Try not to
Well,
sell everything you own so you could buy one.
I might have to. A friend of mine just bought a new C8, but we'll talk
Oh,
about that another time.
sweet. Let's look at the comments. This guy says, this is great news for those of us, myself included, that have a C8 but still want a manual transmission. I would not expect to see this come as a factory option in the C8, but rather a factory option in the C9. Oh, maybe the C9,
Oh,
which will be more likely a C8.5. Okay. I would never try to retrofit a manual into my car that wasn't designed from the manufacturer to work with a manual. It's more about vehicle software integration. It's not just about fitting the shifter and the third pedal. Yeah, I could tell you I did change my 240SX from an automatic to a manual, and that was difficult. And that was a 92. So I can imagine how much more difficult it would be. I did have to change the car's computer over from an automatic computer to one that was made for manual.
Mhm.
But yeah, there's a will, there's a way. People can figure it out. Well, let me show you. This is the Tremec website. If you want to see what it looks like, they make drivetrain solutions and EV propulsion systems that aren't made for your average driver. They're designed to push the boundaries of excitement and power, delivering a unique and elevated driving experience. All right, making niche high performance vehicles iconic. Okay. Well, yeah, looks like they make a 6-speed rear wheel drive, a 7-speed rear wheel drive manual, 7-speed rear wheel drive dual clutch, 9 or 8-speed dual clutch trans axle. So yeah, they make all type of very cool things here at
Yeah,
Tremec.
they're one of the best for manual transmissions. Like I said, I bought a brand new one out of the box for one of the trucks I built recently.
Okay. It's like they also make mechatronic systems, clutch assemblies, solenoids, software control units. All right, so they already make all this kind of stuff. They will be able to figure out how to put the software into
Yeah.
this C8.
Yeah, they're an OE supplier for General Motors. So
Oh,
like
okay.
every Camaro, Firebird that's had a manual transmission in it since like 97 is a Tremec.
Oh,
Yeah.
all right. So it looks like they know what they are doing.
Yep, like the Cadillac CTS Vs that had manuals in them, Tremec, like yeah.
All right, cool. All right. Well, that's what we got for that article. Let's go on to the next one.